Self-neglect among the elderly, an overview of the concept, status and assessment tools. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Self-neglect among the elderly is a widespread public health issue, with its incidence rate increasing year by year, seriously affecting the physical and mental health of the elderly and hindering the realization of healthy aging. Clarifying the basic connotation of self-neglect among the elderly and developing authoritative assessment tools are of great significance for geriatric research, medical care, and nursing work. To understand the concept, current status, and assessment tools of self-neglect among the elderly, a literature search was conducted using the keywords the elder or older people or old people plus self-neglect in English or Chinese in PubMed, Web of Science, CINAHL Plus, Scopus, Embase, PsycINFO, and CNKI over the past 10 years. 30 papers were included. Previous literature indicates that the incidence rate of self-neglect among community-dwelling elderly globally ranges from 18.4% to 29.1%. Self-neglect accelerates functional aging in the elderly, increasing their prevalence of diseases, hospitalization rate, suicide rate, and mortality rate. The connotation of self-neglect among the elderly is complex and multidimensional, with strong cultural dependence, and there is no unified conceptual definition. Therefore, although assessment tools have been widely developed with many achievements, there are significant differences in the number and connotation of measurement dimensions, as well as the measurement performance of the tools, affecting the comparability and generalizability of assessment results. Self-neglect among the elderly has increasingly attracted the attention of the academic community. However, issues such as the definition of the concept and the scientific development and reasonable selection of assessment tools still need further exploration. Introduction. Self-neglect in older adults is a serious but often overlooked issue where individuals fail to care for their own basic needs, such as personal hygiene, health, and social connections. It can happen when they ignore their living environment, skip medications, or avoid seeking help, whether on purpose or not. This problem can lead to worse health, more hospital visits, higher death rates, and increased stress for caregivers and communities. Despite growing attention in recent years, many cases still go unnoticed, and the concept of self-neglect remains unclear. As a result, the tools used to assess self-neglect vary widely in quality and focus. Understanding what self-neglect is and how to measure it is key to offering better support and care. This review aims to explore the most used assessment tools, their features, and their limitations, helping healthcare providers choose the right tools and develop better ones for local needs. Conclusion. As the global population ages, self-neglect among older adults is becoming a growing public health concern. Different countries have developed various tools to assess this issue, each influenced by local culture and research methods. These tools differ in what they measure, who they are meant for, such as community or hospital patients, and how they are used. Some are filled out by healthcare workers, others by the elderly themselves. While some tools focus on physical health, others emphasize mental health, living conditions, or social support. However, because there is no unified understanding of what self-neglect truly means, it's hard to compare results across different studies or create consistent support policies. Most research so far uses interviews and surveys, but future studies should track changes over time and consider cultural differences. This will help uncover the real reasons behind self-neglect and improve care and prevention efforts for older adults. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.